Hi teachers, in this quick video, I want to just review polls within Google Meet. Polls can be a great way to get to know students, do a would you rather question or something fun for students to respond to. Polls are anonymous within Google Meet, but then at the end, you get a report of who responded with what. So in order to start a poll, you just click the poll, the activities button, and then you click on polls, click start a poll. You would ask your question here. Snowman, let's put a tree. And I will go up and I'm going to add an emoji. I have the emoji keyboard. I'm not really sure this poll makes the most sense. I got a little snowman here I can add. I'm going to click there and I'm going to find my tree. So adding these little emojis just draws a little bit more attention and interest. It also helps younger learners with that visualization, although keep in mind some emojis appear rather small. I can add a tree here and then I can save this. Here's my tree. I'm going to hit save. The really nice thing is you can create all of your polls ahead of class. So if you get into your Google Meet earlier, you can take time and create all of your polls. And then when you're ready, you can launch your polls at any point. I click launch. Users will have to click on the activities button themselves. So they will click on the activities button, they'll click on polls, and then they'll be able to see the poll and vote in it. I can see that this is currently live. I can delete the poll. I can end the poll at any point. And then when I'm ready, I can also display the results, keeping in mind it's only going to display the summary. It won't show users who responded with what. At the end of Google Meet, you will get a report, and that report will have how each individual voted in that Google Meet. They will go to a folder within your Google Drive.